ma'am? Pangalan na ma'am.
Hi, my name is Ellie. I'm the Communications Officer of Eco Uleng PH. Well, actually, from Manila kasi kami, no? So, we've tried chicken inasal from Metro Manila. But now that we're here in Bacolod, iba talaga yung taste ng Bacolod chicken inasal. So, talagang iba yung authenticity niya. We're really, at the very root of where chicken inasal was born, no? So, na-appreciate namin siya ngayon more than ever. And with all these participating mga chicken inasal stores and restaurants, nakikita din namin yung variety and range of the chicken inasal, which is good. And we're happy to be part of this event as the official charcoal partner kasi apart from us being an eco-friendly product because our charcoal is made from coconut waste, diba? So from coconut waste, we create our charcoal briquettes. So yun, we're very excited to have to be the official charcoal partner because in inasal, can't make inasal without charcoal, diba? So it's a vital, not naman ingredient, but it's a vital companion in the grilling process. So yun. Does that answer?
Ang ikalawang araw natin po ngayon, kamusta naman po yung sitwasyon natin sa ngayon?
Okay, mas exciting siya today kasi there's a lot more going on. So kahapon may grand opening, diba? And then they opened all the stalls. But this time there's a parade of mascots and then yun nga may street dance competition later which we're excited to see. So we're seeing not just the chicken inasal, not just the food culture, but we're also seeing, the dance culture of Bacolod. So it's all very new to us and we're happy to witness it and be part of this event.
Question po ma'am, bukas po yung last day na Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival. Ano po yung ilo-look forward ng ating mga tao?
Ayun, so since I mentioned earlier that there's a good range and variety in the chicken inasal here in Bacolod. So tomorrow we're excited to see the cook-off. So we're excited to witness na ano ba yung mga kayang gawin ng mga Bacolod noon pagdating sa inasal. Like lahat naman yan, karamihan ng mga nandito inasal, 'di ba? But ano yung mga edge nung kanilang mga stores, we're excited to see that.